Hi, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and today we're in my son Jackson's kitchen with Jackson and his wife Kenzie, and we have two really exciting announcements for you. The first one is that grandbaby number 2 is on the way in 3 weeks. Woohoo! Show him, Kenzie. Show him. Look at this. Woohoo! So the second announcement that's not as exciting, but is really still very exciting, is that we added a new feature to Cookin' with Alexa, which allows you to access your Cookin' friend recipes now from your device. So what that means is you can now access, for example, Mama's recipes right here when you're in your kitchen.
No way.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. So my mom has Cookin' too, so I can access her recipes.
Yeah. She told me she put a lot of her recipes in too.
Yeah,
so
she did.
now when you're in the kitchen, if you want one of her recipes, boom, it's right there.
That's sweet, man.
Yeah, at the command of your voice. And so, yeah, all those recipes right at your fingertips.
That's sweet, man, because I was just thinking we're heading to her mom's for dinner tonight, and I was thinking it'd be great to bring that turtle cake we ate at Mama's last night, but I don't have the recipe.
Oh,
Can't
yeah,
pull it up.
that turtle cake recipe is amazing.
It's so good.
Yeah, so now you can bring that up right here. You want to try it? Should we take
Yeah,
a look?
dude.
All right, let's give it a go. Ready? Alexa, open Cookin' Recipe Organizer.
Welcome to Cookin' Recipe Organizer. You can ask me to show you your
We're in.
cookbooks, or
And
open a
we're in.
recipe, or if you would like a list of features, say features.
Okay, so now at this point, normally, if you wanted to access your recipes, you would say, show me my cookbooks. So let's try that real quick here. Alexa, show me my cookbooks.
Here are your cookbooks. You can scroll down by saying scroll down. Or, you can open a cookbook by saying show me the first result or show me the second result. What would you like to do?
Show me the second result.
Here are the chapters in Mackenzie's recipes. You can open a chapter by saying show me the first result. What would you like to do?
Okay, so these are the chapters in your cookbook then.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So now let's say you wanted to get that turtle cake recipe of Mama's, right? What's the command again? Do you remember?
It's show me my cooking friends, right?
That's right. Yeah. Should we give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the new command. You guys ready? Alexa, show me my cooking friends.
Here are your Cookin' friends. You can see their cookbooks by saying show me the first result or show me the second result.
Okay, so I see that Susan is the second result. That's your mom. And Kathy, both of them need to put avatars in, by the way. I just noticed. It makes it so much more fun. So let's go ahead and choose option number 3. You ready? Alexa, show me the third result.
Here are the cookbooks. You can scroll down by saying scroll down. Or, you can open a cookbook by saying show me the first result or show me the second result. What would you like to do?
Show me the first result.
Here's what I found. What would you like to do?
Show me the cakes chapter.
Here are the recipes in your friend's cakes chapter. What would you like to do?
Show me the turtle cake recipe.
Here is your turtle cake recipe. You can scroll down by saying scroll down. Or, if you would like me to read the ingredients or directions to you, just say ingredients or directions.
Okay, so there you go.
No way,
Now
dude.
you know-
It's right there.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So
Holy
right from your
smokes.
kitchen, as you're cooking around, you can access your recipes, plus Mama's recipes, plus your mom's recipes, and so forth. Anybody who's a cooking friend. And you can add other people to be your cooking friends too. So that's kind of cool to be able to access it. Now, that's the new feature. So remember, show me my cooking friends is the command. And while we're here, there's one other thing I wanted to show.
Oh, yeah?
So yeah, which is just that, how this rotates. I meant to show this in the other video that I did, and I didn't show it. But so you guys hold still for 1 second.
Okay.
So it'll follow me. But this is how this works. We have it turned off right now, so it'll face this way. But if you were really cooking in the kitchen, you would turn this on, and there's a little sensor here, and it'll follow you. Alexa, look at me. Ingredients.
1 German chocolate cake mix.
Next.
1 cup butter.
Next.
35 caramel candy or 2 bags caramel bits.
Next.
Half cup chopped pecans.
Next.
12 Hershey bars.
Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of rotates and follows you as you walk around
That
the
was
kitchen.
pretty slick, man.
And it reads the ingredients to you. And it'll read the directions to you step by step also.
Oh, that's sweet, man.
And so now, like I say, you got this tool in your kitchen. So you should enjoy some really delicious meals. He's doing the cooking
100%.
since, right?
And I need the step by step.
That's right. That's right. Well, thanks for joining us, and we hope you love the new Show Me My Cooking Friends feature on your Alexa Show device.
Wait, is that recording?
Yeah, you can access all of her recipes
That's way cool.
right from your device.
No way.
Cool, because we're going to Kenzie's house tonight.
Totally true.
And we want to bring the turtle cake.
That's right, that's right. I was like, I'm supposed to say something. The context was all there. But I was like, I don't even remember what I was supposed to talk about. Something about cooking.
Right on your Alexa device.
No way.
I know, all of Mama's recipes, right at your lip tips. Not fingertips.
That was the worst joke in my life.
I did not see that coming.
Right at the command of your voice. Huh?
You did it every take. Don't do it in this
I was
You know, tip of the tongue is a common phrase, right?
right on the tip of your tongue. Yeah.
There you
Right at
go.
the command of your voice. Okay.
Your lip tip.
Oh, it's like
Is that your
fingertips.
lip
It's like
tip?
right at your fingertips.
Like,
That's right.
It's right on the tip of your tongue. Man. It's your lip tips. If you will.
Right on the tip of my tongue.
Okay, here we go. All right, let's pick up where we left off. I don't even know where to pick it up.